Hi, this is the pre-K kindergarten lesson for this coming Sunday, Easter, April 1st, also April Fool's Day. The pre-K class is going to be reading Jesus is Risen is the lesson. That's Mark 16, 1 through 8. This is a copy of the story card that will be in there to read to them. And the questions that follow the story are, I wonder why the women went to the tomb so early in the morning. I wonder who rolled the stone away. I wonder who the man in the tomb was, things like that. Obviously, this is the story of Jesus' resurrection. It's one that is often hard with kids because they don't know people who are resurrected today, right? That's not something we see. When someone dies, they're dead. And death in general isn't something that our pre-Kers have hopefully not seen a lot of, right? So this is an interesting story for them. And as you can see, the picture here focuses on the women going to the tomb and finding it empty. And the questions revolve around the empty tomb as well. I would suggest in the lesson plan, the second page, page 37 is called Dig Deeper. So this does a great job of talking about how to talk to kids about this story, as does the front of it as well. So if you want to just look at that and get some ideas. And then for the activities, there's a couple of good ones. The first one is called, it's under the Create, which is on page 40 of the lesson, and it's called Making a Sunrise. They will be some half circles. I've done it two ways. I've made a couple that are already cut out. They'll look like this, little half circles. And then some that are not cut out in case you have older kids who want to do this themselves. So that's just about cutting out the circle and then cutting it in half. So I have 3 pages of those and 4 that are already cut out for you. Then I'll have some dark paper. This one's blue. I'll probably have black or brown or something like that. That they will take the half circle and they'll glue it on the bottom and color it in yellow, orange, something like that, and create what looks like the sun coming up, basically. So this is the whole Jesus is risen, the sun is risen. The easy thing to communicate about this is, because it's also spring, of course, is that we talk about things rising up, right? We talk about our gardens growing, and the pre-K team especially just harvested the carrots in the garden, and so this will be something they understand and can relate to. So the next thing is on page 41 of lesson plan. It's under the title Send, and this is just kind of like as you're sending off at the end of the thing, have the children gather in a circle and say this blessing together. This is from Numbers chapter 6, verse 25 through 26, and it reads, "May God's face shine on you and give you peace." And this is just a really nice phrase for them to learn to say to each other and to themselves, however they want to do it, on Easter Sunday, and kind of the message we want to send them forth with. I'm also going to talk about that blessing in the Time for Children. So whether they're going into Sunday school after church or coming out of it, it'll be something that they remember hearing. So that's the plan. If you have any questions, let me know. I will be here, and so I'll be around, and I'll have all the materials ready to go in the child care room. Thank you.